Be the envy of your friends in this 2005 Holden Commodore.
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD stacker, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
The premium wheels add a stylish touch. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.